I pozdrav svima ljudi, dobro došli u današnji video. Danas igramo Ratchet Clank Rift. Obavezno bacite like i subscribe-rište se na moj kanal da dođemo do 2000 subscribera. Isto tako zapratite me na Instagramu i na TikToku. I uživajte u videu.
If I may offer one thought,
Sad ovdje trebamo da uništimo ove neprijatelje i u stvari da bacamo ove krugove ovako gore. Sad ćemo skakati na ovim i tako. Sad samo treba da bacamo, ne znam šta je ovo, bacamo na ove da ne rade i tako. Sad ne znam kom smjeru da idemo.
The more I help them find their way, the more I will understand and be able to fix everything. That saw is blocking the path. If I could just find a way to lower it.
Igrat ćemo još nekoliko epizoda Ratchet Clank Rift i posle ćemo početi sa nečim novim.
Oh, nice! I never thought to use the spear like that.
Ja sam trebao da budem na pauzu od 10. juna do 20. jula, ali neću biti na pauzi, nego ćemo igrati, snimat ću svaki dan
I
video.
always get so caught up in the details.
And you wish you were better about that.
Not all the time, but it would be nice to not have to worry so much.
I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spears left to find. Yeah.
Should give me a lift. This will speed things up a bit.
Ah, Clank! I think I know how to help you with your getting caught up in the details problem. You just gotta be confident.
What do you mean?
If there's one thing I've learned from my father, it's that acting like you know what you're doing can get you everywhere in life. That is carrying a plunger. Our anomaly has been fixed. Great job,
Otvorili smo, sad ću da vidimo šta je ovo ovdje.
And remember, confidence is...
Now we can deal with the clock.
I sent the top minds on the team to fix the tube and... That's it! Hydraulic supply restored!
With that fixed, We should now be able to use that elevator.
Time to drill for some phase quartz. Almost there. Drill, phase quartz, repair the dimensionator.
In case I do not get another chance to say it, thank you.
Don't get mushy on me now, Bolts. We're not done yet. Hey, look! The Bro Squad is back.
Ja ću više igrati nego što ću pričati, samo da znate.
I cannot help thinking
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension.
Jump to the side. I cannot help thinking
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
I cannot help thinking
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
I cannot help thinking
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
Seriously, this is a big deal. Incompletely.
Are these the messages that the chief engineer is hearing?
We are fast approaching the main drill.
Wow! It's been my lifelong dream to operate a drill 100 times bigger than me.
Really? That is very specific.
Specific goals are achievable goals.
Lombax robot, brilliant news. I decoded the message from beyond. Listen. Finally, to reception. Listen, do not turn on the drill. The rift's damaged it. Drill destroyed our Blizzard.
What? But we just turned it on!
Take cover! Lockdown engaged! I can try a remote shutdown. Boy, a bad cheese!
Stupid freaking drill!
I thought you loved giant machinery.
How about a change of heart?
phase quartz suspended in the drill bead.
I'll knock it out with my hammer.
Please be careful.
Oh, you guys.
We must return to the other dimension quickly.
You are going to love your new cage.
That is the last of them.
There's gotta be a way back around here.
Everybody, I can't shut down the drill. I forgot to update the tools 4.331. Prepare for sweet death and have a blazing blizzard day.
We are not gonna die, blazing or otherwise.
What is your plan?
That dropship. Big and heavy.
And full of fuel. It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
Or, if we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge it and stop the planet from shattering.
Normally I'd say that's against protocol, but this is the pre-post-apocalypse world we live in, so go for it!
Then, brace for impact.
It is your best friend, Jim. Please do not die, as I deleted my sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Not now, Jim.
I wish I had a sad noise to play.
Rivet. Oh, no.
Well, maybe it's not as bad as it... I know this is gonna sound totally weird, but the Morts used to tell me legends about someone on Torrin 4 called the Fixer. If it's broke, the Fixer'll fix it.
Then I suppose we should see if the legends are true.
I can't believe we saved Blizzard! How about we fix up this phase quartz and save the universe? Alright, Bolts. Let's go find the Fixer.
If you are right, and the Fixer is able to repair the phase quartz, we will have achieved the impossible.
The Morts always spoke so fondly of him. And trust me, they are terrible liars.
Then perhaps we still stand a chance of saving the dimensions.
You hear that? That's the sound of me destroying lies.
hostile entity. Hello, are you my new best friend?
No. You should head back to the chief engineer.
Friendship request denied. Sad noises. Returning to chief engineer.
Aww. Stop fussing, Jim. Hopefully he picked up interdimensional messages and didn't get distracted trying to find friends.
Identified. Hostile entity. Hello, are you my new best friend?
See something over there? Must have gone in. That's not a pro! That's lava!
Zero, none, bros. I've lost count.
Are you always suspicious that anyone you meet worked for Emperor Nefarious?
Pretty much everyone I meet does work for Emperor Nefarious.
Ah, a fair point.
Real platforms. Well, defunct ones. 1,000,000% sure rifts
Tad
opened
moramo
over
ove
here.
da
Definitely
ubijemo.
find the box.
Okay, I see the bot over on that platform on the right, past the broken bridge.
There must be a way to reach it. We have reached the bot platform, but the functional bot is in the intact dimension.
Right. We're missing something.
Oh! The crane moved the crystal.
This may bring us one step closer to reaching the bot.
Engaging charming accent.
What are y'all doing here? Turning to chief engineer with important message.
Oh, Sam. She's trying to find herself. One step closer to figuring out this message. That's all of them. Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little bot's picked up from the other side.
Hazardous life forms detected. Facility security lockdown engaged.
Except that motion trackers are saying they're inside the house.
Location, unknown. Life forms, unknown. Protocol, destroyed.
Gift from my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce it to scrap metal.
We are alarmingly outnumbered here.
Native life forms no longer detected. Security walls disappeared. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Phew. Okay, minor setback. Gonna take a little longer to decode this language. But you guys need the same. Jim will take you there.
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Sure?
Happy noises. I will take you to our phase quartz extracting zone in the name of friendship.
That can't be good.
That dimensional anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.
Good. That means you can deal with it.
As your best friend, I must warn you that dimensional integrity could have affected the drill.
What's that mean?
As your best friend, I do not want you to worry, so I will not expound at this time. Instead, impromptu music.
I can't authorize drill usage until the blockage in that tube is cleared.
We should go for karaoke after this. Do you like karaoke, best friend? I will dislike it if you dislike it.
You ready to fix another dimensional mess?
Leave it to me.
Where I must leave you in body, but never in soul.
Clank, I just saw Ratchet on Savali.
You did? How is he?
Great! But appropriately heroic. But I digress. Your possibilities are waiting for you to guide them to the meta-terminal.
My possibilities cannot pass through with that much wind. Is there some way I can weigh them down?
Ah, that's a heavy sphere. It will weigh down any object it touches, which sounds rather obvious when you say it out loud.
So what is in that book of yours?
The most up-to-date collection of knowledge in the universe, as cataloged by my father.
And who is that?
I believe you know him as the plumber.
He is your father? What is he doing now?
Taking his first vacation ever. So he left me in charge, and I'm trying my best, but it's a lot to live up to even when the universe isn't in danger.
This should keep things on the down low. So, how did you get the title Prophet?
I actually didn't choose the name. It was given to me by the Sabali monks after I helped them decipher some of their archives.
What does that mean?
Oh, just a lot of pointing and saying stuff like, that's a Blargian phone book. That's a Kertu tooth. That's a Terraclon love poem. Oh my! I have to write this down because that was incredible, Clank! Only 2 more to go. How are things going with Rivet?
Well enough. She hacked my brain and saw my memories.
Is that what you kids are doing these days? I'm so untouched.
It is interesting. For being dimensional counterparts, Ratchet and Rivet have surprising differences. Ratchet never had any wariness of robots when he met me. Yet Rivet does.
Maybe your dimension is the outlaw. And maybe your other Ratchets don't like robots in their dimensions either. I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
A good way to weigh things down.
Dirty, filthy lies. They say this dimension is unstable. We're being sucked into a formless void. False. Think otherwise? I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax Vandals cannot escape. How could they if... I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is now 27 squadrillion parabucks. Just look at it all. So big, so real, so totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes!
It seems Dr. Nefarious will stop at nothing to catch us.
We better keep moving. Works for me!
At least this mission will be a straightforward one.
I don't know about your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action. Let's get some phase quartz repaired. I hope the fixer is as good as the Morts say he is.
Yes, I hope so too. The bridge seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Or pirates.
Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious. would I be?
Fixing things, I suspect.
New tourists? Oh, welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoff means paradise in Junkish?
Is the Fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, any quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoff minute. But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot. Oh, and I saw one in the smelting pits further ahead. Lucky you.
So, after this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid
Wait,
that
afraid? Why afraid?
it is complicated.
Huh. Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will. Short on ammo. Pits across the canyon.
But there is no way to reach it.
Time to improvise. Jump incoming! Better jump! Here comes another one.
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot to be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh, dear.
Smooth. There's a rift! How about that, huh?
Very impressive. They keep coming.
Here comes the jump!
Oh, dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on. It goes straight to the smelting pits!
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Ah! Here comes a jump!
Oh dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on! It goes straight to the smelting pits!
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Woo! Made it! Oh no.
Avast ahoy, yo-ho, yo-ho, our time has finally come!
Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done.
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It's its fate has brought us together again, ma petite rivette.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys, attack!
Oh dear. The pirates are raiding for scrap.
Can't let them get that hurl shot.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea. Shields? Looks like we're gonna have to get creative.
All hands get to blundering and shout!
I adore the way you fight, Rivette, but you should have seen the fixer. Such power! For the last hemo!
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would love to take the credit, but no. The cause of the fixer's brokenness is a mystery to me. I will enjoy his absence, however.
Need more than that to take me down!
Grab anything that shines, twinkles, glimmers, and grab it all!
Get him with the shield.
Not me, lumberjacks!
Oh dear. The pirates are raiding for scrap.
You can't let them get that hurl shot.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea. Shields? Looks like we're gonna have to get creative.
Our first mate be right! All hands get to plundering and scarawaggering!
Here it comes! He be testing my patience, Lombat.
I adore the way you fight, Rivette, but you should have seen the fixer. Such power! For the last hemo!
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would love to take the credit, but no. The cause of the fixer's brokenness is a mystery to me. I will enjoy his... Oh, grab anything that shines! Grab it all!
Show me what's in the cup. Let's get that hurl shot thing.
To je sve ljudi što je bilo u današnjem videu, vidimo se u sledećem videu.